Hey guys, welcome back to a video. Last video I made part of this church on whatever this is called, replay mod. So I made this far of it, but let's finish up. So let's just resume. Okay. What the heck? Okay. There we go. Now, unpause it. I ran out of those gone, so I just did this. And next video, we are gonna make a creeper farm, so stay tuned for that. It will be in the next video. So I just move that. Yeah, I thought that was a good idea. I did that. I didn't really like the texture. Now I look like I was bowing. So I didn't like the texture, so I just did that. Just more slabs. Yeah, I thought that looked better. No, I did that. I didn't have more cobblestone, so I did that. No, I did that. I thought that looked pretty cool. I also did it on this side as well. Just did that. I ran out of blocks, so I couldn't do the other side. So I decided to do that until I got more blocks. And yeah, just like stand there and pray. You could like go up, sit right here, and pray if you are a Christian. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Don't forget to check out my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, post notifications, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.